Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning NFC on so the phone can detect tags and readers. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences, and enable NFC. Make sure the phone is awake and any thick case is removed because proximity matters. The Edge 50 Fusion's antenna sits near the top rear edge. Once NFC is enabled, review tap and pay defaults and disable Android Beam if not needed, because the default payment app determines how your phone responds when a reader appears. Next, you'll read and write tags, install NFC tools, or use built-in utilities for quick reads. To read, place the tag against the top rear where the antenna is, hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds until you feel a vibration or hear a sound. This confirms detection. For writing, open the app, pick the record type like URL, text, or intent, enter the payload, then tap Write and keep the tag steady until the app confirms success. Make sure tags are NTag compatible for best results. Finally, configure payments and sharing. Set your default tap and pay app in settings and ensure your biometric or PIN is ready for transactions. For device-to-device handoff or Bluetooth pairing triggered by NFC, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled so the phone can negotiate connections after the tap. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, remove the case, toggle NFC off and verify with a known working tag. If persistent, check for software updates or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.